Hi, I'm Tamara Cinnamon, and this is your Sutton Scoop. I'm here today with Dave Wetherill with Camac Industries. How are you?
Wonderful. How are you?
Good. I'm good. Thanks for coming. So tell us about Camac. Is it a local company, or tell us all about it?
Camac was started in 1984 by a chemist from Belgium that moved to the Okanagan Valley, and he was particularly gifted at developing chemistry for industrial contracts. The first one was Odergon, and I brought some different sizes of Odergon, and that's to help them recycle, the BC Ambulance Service recycle body bags. And we developed a version of a very high-quality ecological soap for washing the ambulances, and also a pouch pack to put in the windshield washer fluid of your car. It gets rid of the windshield film that's on the film.
Interesting. So back to Odergon for just a moment. You were saying it was built for body bags, so they could actually spray it in there and the smell would all be gone.
It eliminates the odor really quickly in seconds, and we're in most of the hospitals in Canada. We export it worldwide, and it's used in a whole variety of purposes, including pets. We talked about pets in a home, pets in a car. We have a pet version of the Odergon.
And what about smoke? I mean, that's a big thing that people just don't smoke in houses anymore. So when you go into a house that has that old stale smoke smell, it's pretty hard to sell.
It eliminates it just like that.
Really?
It can be used in steam cleaners as well, floor, carpet cleaners.
Interesting. Is there any risk on different kinds of flooring? Do you need to check it, or it's
No, it's non-toxic, non-staining, and does its job. You close back the house. We use a lot of hotel rooms that have been smoked in and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's immediate, and it's a very effective product.
Interesting. Okay. And on to the tub and towel cleaner. I've used that. I use it on my floor, actually, on my hairspray grime, and I couldn't believe right off.
Well, tub and towel cleaner, we developed this because actually inside cleaning a shower is a kind of a tough environment, because you've got lots of soap scum, you've got body oils, you've got hair shampoo. All those ingredients stick to things, and what do you use to clean them? An acid cleaner, which is very unhealthy for your body and for you to breathe in. Shower is an enclosed environment, and it's very tough to use the products and then find them toxic to yourself.
Sure. This
product is using new technology we developed, which is selective chelation. It'll grab onto all the molecules, clean it off, and it's so easy that people have commented time and time again how easy it is.
I'm so converted. I have not ever found anything that can, clean my bathroom floor, and this right on, right off, no scrubbing was amazing.
So we invite people to come down. It's available at Brightland, Home Hardware 27th. Simply Delicious are looking at putting it on the shelves. Gilbert's Auto, Lordco Auto, you'll find Camac products.
Excellent. So I see your slogan here is technology and ecologically in harmony.
Technology and ecology in harmony. And what we're using is chemistry that is effective, very affordable, and most of all, it's very good for the environment, which includes the person using it, as well as after the product is used and it goes down the drain. Where does it go? Well, it's fully biodegradable, phosphate-free, acid-free, ammonia-free.
Perfect, which is such a big thing these days. And I think the key here is that this is a distributing company, so it's going back to, you said, Brightland, Nature's Fair.
Yeah, so within the local community, it can be found in multiple places, such as Home Hardware 27th. They'll be putting it on their shelves there, and through Brightland, of course. And Brightland owns Camac Industries. I'm sort of like the Remington razor guy. I love the product so much that we bought the company 3 years ago. And we're actually marketing the products worldwide, and one of our major kind of cool accounts for lately is SC Johnson Companies.
Now
using our sport version of Odergon, and this is a real savior for anybody like a hockey mom or a sports mom. Amazing stuff.
Excellent. Well, this is really, really interesting stuff, and if somebody wanted to see the full line, is it online somewhere?
On Chemac.com, C-H-E-M-A-C, comes from Chemical Action, so Chemac.com, you can find the whole thing. I'd just like to close with this particular cleaner, which is now being used to clean computers, laptops, iPads, telephones. It's totally non-toxic, and we developed this product for the BC Penitentiary Service.
Okay, excellent. Wow, really interesting lineup. And I have to congratulate you. I know you had some nominations at the Vernon Chamber of Commerce Business Awards. I'm not speaking very well today, but congratulations on those, and thank you so much for coming.
You betcha. Thank you.